Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. The Yule season is just around the corner, and as I've mentioned in some of my previous videos, it is one of my favorite festivals in the wheel of the year. Yule symbolizes renewal, rebirth, and the return of light. For me, it's a time that's all about celebration. It's filled with gift giving, warmth, cozy feelings, and lots of lights. I love decorating my home with twinkling lights everywhere. And of course, no Yule season is complete without real candles. There's just something so magical about lighting them this time of year. However, candles, especially the decorated ones and the scented ones, can get very expensive. So in today's video, I'll show you how to add a little extra magic to plain candles, especially the affordable ones that you can find at either Dollar Tree or thrift stores. For this DIY, I'll be using candles that I thrifted, bought from Dollar Tree, or found on sale. I believe I also have a few red taper candles from the Dollar Tree store that I cannot find right now. Anyway, moving on, I'll also be using some glue or Mod Podge, a paintbrush. This is going to be my paint palette, glitter from Dollar Tree, shape punchers. I have this for little circles, a Mickey Mouse head, and a heart-shaped puncher. I wish I have a star-shaped puncher, but I don't have that right now, so I'm just gonna use the materials that I already have. I will also be using some Scotch tape, a pair of scissors, some scrap paper for punching shapes, and another sheet that you see under all the materials to catch the excess glitter. Once all the materials are ready, I'll start with the pillar candles. I'll cut a strip of paper and punch out small heart shapes on it. Then I'll cut a small square around each of the hearts. And then using a piece of tape, I'll attach each heart to the candle, arranging them so they are scattered rather than in a straight line. So this is where I want my first heart to be. Then one by one, I'll apply glue to each heart and then roll the glued portion onto the glitter. By the way, I changed our adhesive. Instead of using the Mod Podge, this is just the regular glue. Let's begin with this one. go. We're gonna move on to the next one. And then roll that on the second glitter pile. Now, once the shape is fully covered, I'll carefully remove the taped heart from the candle. We have to be very careful not to wait for the glue to dry out completely, otherwise some of the paper might stick to the candle or pull off the glitter when removed. Now that the small pillar candles are done, I'll set them aside to dry. They should be ready in about 2 hours, but I usually wait until the next day just to be sure. While those are drying, I'll start working on the other candles using the same steps. Alright friends, I present to you the most festive and enchanting candles, perfect for your altar, your mantle, or even your Yule feast table. I've been crafting these simple beauties for many years, and they never fail to bring a little magic and light to the season. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this project before. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you all for watching. I am the Urban Witch, and remember, being festive on any occasion doesn't have to be expensive. See you next time. Bye!